Some cars are built with purpose, others are crafted with soul. The 2025 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is more than a machine. It's a revival of heritage, passion, and pure Italian artistry, inspired by the legendary 1967 original. Only 33 will ever be made, each one hand-assembled with obsessive attention to detail, not on a production line, but in a space where engineering meets sculpture. This is not mass manufacturing. This is Alfa Romeo, distilled into aluminum, carbon fiber, and legacy. Beneath its sculpted form lies a choice between two heartbeats, a 620 horsepower twin-turbo V6 born from Maserati performance DNA, or a fully electric powertrain generating over 750 horsepower. Either way, the performance is staggering, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. But that's only part of the story. As you watch it come to life piece by piece, you'll notice that nothing is left to chance. Every vent, every panel, every bolt has a reason. The butterfly doors, painstakingly aligned, pay homage to the iconic design of the original 33 Stradale, a car many still call one of the most beautiful ever built. Inside the workshop, analog meets precision. Craftsmen shape, fit, and fine-tune each component by hand, guided not just by measurements, but by feel, tradition, and pride. There are no screens flashing or robots welding, just the quiet rhythm of true craftsmanship. This is not a car made for the masses. It's made for emotion, for legacy, for the kind of connection that can only come from something born with purpose and finished with care. The 2025 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is more than a limited edition. It's a statement that beauty still matters, and that the art of car building is alive and well. Only 33 will ever be owned, but in watching it take shape, you're witnessing a dream forged by hand.